Hey guys, how we doing? Ready dog here. I'm just trying to get my deck fixed up here, and man, I tell you what, never-ending battle around here with the honeydews and doing all the stuff I need to do. But I wanted to show you a product I just got in. What did I do with the box? I've been up here trying to fix my deck up here. You can see it's pretty rough. I've got some boards coming up and stuff, and I've got these gloves, man. These gloves are awesome. Here it is right here. These gloves are made by this company right here, Kimiyoto. And man, these gloves are awesome. They have a nice, not padded, but they have a nice padded base in them. Can you see that? Really nice padded, very comfortable, very durable, nice stitching. These would be great if you ride motorcycles, if you ride four-wheelers, if you're out in the woods and you know your knuckles and your hands always get hit by stuff. So these would be great for that. Great for construction. I've been using them on my deck project. Look at this. Great knuckle protectors. It even has these vents in the knuckles, so if you're riding, you're going to get air down inside there to keep your fingers cool, whatever. And they have some insulation factor to them too. They have a nice velcro strap here to hold them on. And one of the cool things about it is I was able to start and stop my video because these three fingers on both hands, you can use your phone. You can turn your phone off and on, you can text. You don't have to worry about wrestling to try to get your glove off to do a text or to answer your phone or anything if you're out working like I've been doing. And so pretty cool, really neat product, guys. Here's the company name again. There's the glove. Nice indeed. I'll be using the heck out of these for sure. All right, you guys take care.